Just simply come on to this website, sign up for absolutely free, get your Bitcoin wallet address, then use this app to make yourself Bitcoin all just by shopping and doing absolutely nothing. Today is a wonderful day and I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make a free Bitcoin in 2021 as a complete beginner. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna earn your first Bitcoin. Even though the price of Bitcoin has gone really high, I'm still gonna make sure that you guys learn everything about it. And guys, the other great thing about this method is that it works worldwide and this is really fresh, so it's gonna work through 2021 as well. You absolutely need no skill and absolutely no prior experience is needed. Only your computer and a little bit of your time is all that you need. So in approximately 10 minutes from now, you will completely understand how to shake the money tree without much effort. But firstly guys, moving forward, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So guys, make sure to stick around till the very end of this video. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump into app number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
App number 1. So at app number 1, we have Coinbase.com. Now guys, Coinbase.com is a really popular website and I'm sure you all must have heard of Coinbase.com. Now guys, Coinbase.com is basically the world's most popular cryptocurrency website through which you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies of all sorts. So you can buy cryptocurrencies whether they be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, basically whatever cryptocurrency that you can possibly think of. Now guys, most people know this website as to be a website where you can only buy and sell crypto, but through this website you can even earn crypto as well for absolutely free. Now what you need to do is that simply scroll down and click on earn up to $36 worth of crypto, and then basically click below where it says earn up to $36 worth of crypto, and then you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you have many different options, so I'm gonna go over them one by one so you understand everything. So at the top we have a Neo Cipher. So if you were to learn about Neo Cipher, you can earn $3 in Neo crypto, and if you were to learn about the graph, you can earn up to $3 in GRT. Similarly, if you were to learn about CELO, you can earn up to $11 in CGLD, Compound, Stellar, and the list goes on and on. So basically, you can just simply learn about all of these different cryptocurrencies and you can start to earn them all in passive income, and they will be all stored in your particular account. So guys, this is a really fun way and also a very influential way, and through which you can learn a lot as well and you can still make a lot of money too. So guys, this was app number 1 and now we're gonna jump into app number 2. App number 2. So at app number 2 we have getpay.com. Now guys, getpay.com is another awesome website through which you can cash out using Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet address. So guys, what is getpay.com? Now guys, getpay.com is gonna pay you with points whenever you shop on their particular website. So they have a wide range of products and you will definitely find what you're looking for over here on their website. Now guys, the best thing is that they will give you cashback, so you can earn up to 5%, 10% cashback on different products or on different stores. So guys, why waste your money when you can collect extra money by shopping through this particular website? Because over here we can see that if you were to buy Hitman 3, firstly it is 16% off, secondly you will be getting 0.70% cashback as well. So guys, this is literally just free money that you are wasting when you are shopping on any other website. So I would highly recommend that you use this website and collect all this extra money. So guys, that is basically app number 2. Now we're gonna jump into app number 3. App number 3. So at app number 3 we have lolly.com. Now guys, lolly.com is very similar to getpay.com, but the best thing is that they have a wide variety of stores. So unlike GetPay where they only have a couple of stores, Lolly can literally give you access to thousands of top stores from which you are shopping anyways nowadays as well. So guys, this is literally free money, and the stores that they have are Nike, Microsoft, Sephora, Staples, eBay, Postmates. Like all these are really big names, and whenever you shop on their store from Lolly, you can literally get cashback. And like these stores do not offer cashback, but Lolly is gonna present you with this opportunity through which you can get cashback, and I think that this is literally amazing. So guys, how does it work? In simple words, you get Lolly, you shop the web, you earn money. It is that simple. There's absolutely nothing more to it. They also have a Chrome extension as well, and all you need to do is simply sign up and you will be all set and ready. So guys, that was app number 3. Now we're gonna jump into app number 4. App number 4. So at app number 4 we have foldapp.com. So guys, foldapp.com is another awesome app through which you can earn Bitcoin on almost everything. So you can win up to 100% back on your purchases or one whole Bitcoin. So if you were to like download this app on your phone, and if you were to shop using your phone, well then you will be getting cashback on every single thing that you buy. So they have been featured on Forbes, Bloomberg, Nasdaq, Fortune, Business Insider as well, and all these are big names. So guys, that way you know that this website is truly legit. So they have done a lot of revenue in Bitcoin, and they also have some tweets over here. Now guys, the best part about this app is that they are gonna send you their own card. So like you cannot shop just using their phone. They are gonna send you their own custom card, which I think is really cool, and all for absolutely free. So you will basically have yourself a virtual card and you will be able to use that all the time. So guys, that is app number 4, and I personally really like the Fold app. So guys, that was app number 4. Now we're gonna jump into the last app I have for you guys, but before that I'm gonna show you how you can like get this Bitcoin into your Bitcoin wallet and then into your bank account. So for that, simply come on to bitcoin.org. Now guys, bitcoin.org is a website through which you can claim your Bitcoin wallet address. So I'm simply gonna like go over the whole procedure. So when you come onto this website, click on choose your wallet, and then after that will take you to another page. From there, click next, and then after that simply fill out a form, and then it will show you a wallet based upon your specifications. Just simply download that, install it, and you will be all set. So that way you will have your Bitcoin wallet address. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump into the last app we have for you in this video. The last app that we have for you guys is Brave. So Brave is basically a browser through which you can earn money by watching different advertisements and make Bitcoin. So if you were to use their app, they will basically give you 70% of their ad revenue. So whenever you will be using their app, you will get a pop-up which is gonna say to you that like if you want to make money, just simply watch this ad, or if you don't want to make money, just simply skip it. So basically your time is not gonna go to waste, and you will be able to make money from the time that you were spending watching free advertisements on like Google Chrome or any other browser that you use currently. So guys, I think that this is pretty amazing, and I would highly recommend that you try out this app as well. So guys, I mean like that is basically all these apps, and guys, all these apps literally are like awesome apps. Now in my personal experience, I would highly recommend lolly.com, because this is the most legit website that I have for you, and they have a very nice track record of actually making a lot of money. Now guys, again, if you guys face any questions, then you can just comment down below and I will be sure to answer all of them, and all the confusions that you guys have will be cleared out. Now guys, if you were to take a look at the feedback of Brave, we can see that they have over 400,000 4.7 star ratings. So guys, that I think really speaks for itself as to like how legit the app is. And honestly, this is absolutely amazing. So guys, this was basically the video. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.